my side of the kitchen. We have a nice L-shaped countertop. Allie's counter is over there.
Hey guys, it's Allie and Paige here. Today, we are gonna find our inner Chopped best. Wait, what are those? What are different shows? Chopped Champion.
Junior. What's the kids? Junior chef. Chef Junior. Chef. Junior Chef. Young Chef. Young Thug. Chef Junior.
Chef
Chop Junior.
Chopped Champion. We're gonna find our inner chefs, and we are gonna chef up a little bit. Today's video is gonna be a little cook with us, but it's all gonna be dorm edition. So the only things we're gonna be working with is our microwave, the refrigerator, and our own bare hands. And plates.
Maybe.
Let's cook.
Hey guys, welcome to our kitchen. So we're gonna make a charcuterie board. That's gonna entail some gluten-free good thins. Then we have Laughing Cow. This you can't buy at the Honors Market, which is where we got everything, but we had it in the fridge and it says it's not expired, so we're gonna see if it's not expired. Sliced ham, pepperoni, which has just never ever been on a charcuterie board ever. We got some grapes. They're hotboxing it in there. My personal favorite, the Slim Jim, to give us more of a salami than the pepperoni. Allie's never had a Slim Jim. Let's plate.
Let's plate.
Plate. I thought it was gonna slow roll, and it did not. Jimmy being able to make this into a charcuterie board is concerning. Oh my gosh.
What?
Guys!
What?
Guys! Just gonna finish them off. All right.
Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. I was just stacking my entree.
Okay.
So for tonight's entree, we will be making gluten-free rice and lentil pasta with a nice ragu and classic pork breast sausage.
Can we get replay?
And classic pork breast sausage. Classic pork breast sausage. Classic pork breast sausage. Anyways, we'll be making some pasta with some meat sauce made with ragu and these pork sausage links. So, I've never made pasta in the microwave before and I'm not really sure how to, but we're just gonna kinda hope for the best. How do I make it in the microwave?
Bowl, water.
Hot. Hot. Let's get cooking.
Yeah.
Should I put some string cheese on top?
No. Sizzling.
Guys, so we are obviously starting with the appetizer. We have a wide array of foods here. We have some ham, grapes, Slim Jims, pepperoni, cashews, cheese, and these crackers. So let's dive in. What are you gonna start off with? I was thinking the same thing. We're starting with some cashews.
Just wanted to preface this whole thing with it is 12:30 in the morning. That's all. Stop. Stop. There's mold on my grape.
All right, Slim Jim.
I like these, so.
I don't remember having one before. Not me becoming a Slim Jim fan. All right, now we'll do the cracker and the cheese moment. We'll get a Slim Jim on there too.
Oh.
We'll go crazy. Look at that. Look at that bite. That's pretty good.
For pepperoni, I would not say that's very bad. Let me rephrase that. For pepper, that was gonna come out the same way. Not bad. The pepperoni was.
So, what would you rate what's happening in front of us?
10 out of 10.
Really?
I mean, for what it is. Sans the moldy grapes, but like I could have opened the box and inspected it, so is that my fault? 100%. I mean, it's just like a snack platter.
Yeah, this is really good. So now we're on to our entree. We have a nice rice pasta with some ragu and some breakfast sausage on it. This has been sitting out for a while, so it is just very, like,
cold.
Fun story, tragedy actually struck when I was making this dish. I dropped the pasta on the ground.
What? Oh.
All of the pasta on the ground. So I had to remake it, actually. Not sure if I did it better or worse the second time. Yeah, so let's make sure we get a little bite with everything.
Things are feeling very firm.
Yeah, I think this is very undercooked.
Focus sauce.
Should we do a little cheers? Cheers!
It's ice cold. No. Okay.
Wait.
But again, no. It's terrible. But again, if we would have cooked it longer, 10 out of 10.
I don't know. I'm kind of vibing out with it.
It's just undercooked.
Uh-huh.
Like if it was cooked appropriately, it would be amazing. But it's just not.
I could eat this till the sun comes up. Oh, I just did laundry today. All right, next meal. Oh.
Yeah.
Well, guys, now we are on to the final course, the dessert. So Paige made a lovely Granny Smith apple with cinnamon and granola inside. And we put it in the microwave. That's what it looks like.
The granola, to my surprise, had chocolate
Yeah.
in it too. So that's gonna be really
So
good.
maybe I could.
What's up?
I'm not really sure how to eat it.
I'm just gonna.
Oh.
Again. 10 out of 10. All of this stuff. You guys. You guys can make this.
Yeah.
It's not hard. The pasta would have been amazing also if it wasn't cold.
Mm-hmm.
And she liked it. So if you like cold pasta, even though
I'm your gal.
Wow.
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 Well, we have a lot of eating left to do. So And it's 12:30, so we need to go to bed as well. But always great hanging out with you guys. Hope you're having a good day, a good week.
It's hot.
Yeah, I know.
It tastes like Halloween.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes like apple cider. It tastes like apple cider.
Yeah.
That is good.
Has the energy of like going to your Halloween block party, and
At my
there's like the couple, the old couple that like lives down the street, and like every year they give out good candy, and this year they're the ones that like are really hosting the block party, and then they're like come inside, and it's not creepy though because they're like the cool old couple.
Okay.
She like go inside, and then she pours you a nice hot glass of apple cider. That is where I'm at right now.
That has never happened to me before.
Neither. I've never been to a Halloween block party. As we were saying, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We're so close to 500, guys. I feel like we could hit it at some point in our life. So, with that being said, thanks for watching, and as always,
Go Utes!